Welcome to video number 3 in the Plywood Platform Bed Series. Today we're going to finish up the side rails, we're going to do the head and foot boards, and we're going to put them all on the legs and see how things turn out. Let's get right into it. Last week we built the main components of the side rail. You'll remember from the video I grayed out the parts of it we weren't making, and we just made that long main piece that you see here in blue. So this video we're going to make the rest of the side rail. Here I've colored the components that we're going to make. I grayed out that main component we've already made. I'm going to take them away from the main component now so you see how they're going to fit. You can see now why we cut that long shallow notch on the top for that edge face on the left to fit right into that spot. On the other side of the main component is this slat here, and this is the rail we're going to glue to the main component. It's going to provide support on the edges of the bed for the slats that go across. And just like last time, I've colored these components in blue and I've taken them apart so you can see how they're all going to fit together. As you can see, that edge face is made from 2 separate strips of plywood. The head and the footboards of this bed are pretty much exactly the same as the side rails. Here you can see the only difference being that the notches on the end don't face up, they face down. And that's so they can fit into the legs and into the side rails the right way. That little support rail on the inside that you see here, it's not really there to support slats. What it does do is provide some support for the support rails that we're going to build that go underneath the slats and provide the bed some support in the middle. So because the headboards and the footboards and the side rails aren't that much different besides those 2 little things, I'm not going to show you every little cut and every little bit of every piece. I'm going to show you some of the processes that I use to make all of them instead, and you'll see how it comes together at the end.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness, give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
So that's the side rails and the head and footboard's complete. You can see all four of them next to me on the bench. The next job is to take these over to the other side of my shop where I put things together, slide them down into the legs and make sure they all fit together just right. So let's head over there and get going on that. All right, so as you guys can see, Everything came together pretty good. Couple little issues, we'll get onto those down the line. Let me extend this out so you can see full bed there. Everything put together except for the middle beams that support the slats in the center of the bed so you don't get that taco stuff going on. So let me take you back over here to the bench and we'll talk about what's going to be happening over the next couple videos. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys and your comments so much. In the next video, we're going to build a support rails that go in the middle of the bed underneath the slats. I'm also going to give you an up close and personal tour of all the mistakes that I've made so far. So please leave your comments down below, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and press like if you enjoy what I'm doing here. Again, you guys are awesome. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe in the shop. Take care.